In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new website on WP Engine. Whether you're a seasoned website owner or just starting your online journey, this guide will help you expand your digital presence with ease. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your WP Engine dashboard. This is your command center for managing all your sites hosted with WP Engine. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a navigation menu along the top of your screen. Go ahead and find the Sites option there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Now select Add Site from the list. Once you're on the Setup page, it's time to enter a name for your new site. This will help you quickly identify it among other sites you might manage. Next, you'll need to select the environment for your site. The options available are Production, Staging, or Development. If you're unsure, keep in mind that Production is for live sites. Staging is perfect for testing changes, and development is where